Hey everyone! So as promised, today we are going to do a office tour, and it is a mess in here right now, so I want you to look past that, but I didn't have the heart to let you not see the real thing, but also I could be changing it very soon, so I don't know yet. We're still kind of playing around with it, but this could be changing. So I'm going to give you a tour as it is right now, and I just want to say that I'm very thankful for it right now, even though it's not exactly what I want. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start you from the door entering, which is that door right there, and that's the door I would come in from. Hubby is a big fan of unfinished projects, so we still have to paint the closet door. But hey, what's wrong with that? You know, it was just no big deal. So, and really the door should be painted anyways because it does not match our gray, but it was the paint color that we painted the rest of our doors in our house, so it was just like that when we installed it. Alright, so these, you have first a chair with some stuff on it that's actually getting ready to be moved out of there, so that's like the not needs to be there chair. This few things are going to the office, and then that backpack is actually my husband's camera bag, so he's got it just situated nice and clearly for everyone to see. This is kind of a little miscellaneous section where you have a pillow that goes on the couch, but it's currently on the floor, some weights, just some randomness really that's kind of all tucked back in here. I like to think of this side as the office as his side, because this is his side. So turning around, this is just a storage. You can't really, it's just like attic storage for stuff, so it's just an access point for that. But turning around towards his space, as you can see, it looks very mannish. This is where Fable Beard Co. does its thing. You have he's got like, I don't know, a bunch of stuff going on his computer, and both computers, and his little Fable hub station over there with, and look at that sin. I don't know if I can zoom in here. Look at that sin. He's using his Mac calendar and not a planner. It's depressing. Anyways, you have his little like Fable section with just a bunch of his stuff going on. It's where his oils, he keeps all of his oils and extra stuff in there. So that is his desk. I do not venture there very often, except for to yell at him that it's dirty. And yes, we are antiquated and still have a house phone. So he was doing a few product shots today, so you're about to see some lights that are up because he was working on stuff. But we have an old TV. This TV is literally almost 15 years old, I think, and it still works. It was like really expensive. It was my grandmother's TV, and we don't really watch it, so I don't know why it's there, but we don't watch it up here. We have another TV we watch quite regularly, but not that one. So it is literally just in here for no really valid reason, but it is. So, oh, okay. Well, I think the intention was in case I wanted to do anything with it that I would. Okay, then you have venture over to the couch. It might get a little blurry and glary because the lights are like so high that the camera's like, what do I do? What do I do? But he was taking some shots of his products in the box, and so it's all set up on this lovely couch. Okay, now you're moving in a little bit more towards my area, but keep in mind that it's been infiltrated a little bit by people. Okay, so you have, our room is above the garage, so it's kind of a little bit chilly. So we have a heater. It's like an infrared heater that we put on in the winter time, and it matches my favorite color, which is anything and everything Tiffany blue. And of course you have a bunch of office stuff that's over there. I couldn't really find a table for the big thing on the floor yet, so I just have it kind of sitting there. You have just some extra stuff that I have over there. I have this nice little cute caddy down here with no real pictures in it. It's supposed to have pictures in it, and I just left the stock photos, so that's cool. My broker certificate, which needs to get raised. You also have, yes, you can see it, that's right. You have mark on the walls from children. But hey, what else is new? I don't know if this angle is going to be good enough or not. I was listening to music, but it's paused temporarily, so that's why the speaker's there on the ground. And this is my desk in all its glory. I have over on this side, I have my Cricut and my fan, because it gets hot in here in the summer. Same idea, cold in the winter, hot in the summer. Of course, some stickers, because like what else? I just have some office stuff right there, calculator. I was drinking coffee and water, and emails are coming in like galore. And just some office stuff here. There's another cup that I use for water, and just some extra stuff. I was doing some planning, using my planner for what I'm supposed to be doing right now. You have a Cricut mat, which is laying across, that I have no home for at the moment. And then up here is just extra notes and some pictures and just some awesome sorts of fun stuff. And then you come over here in the corner, and we have some extra stuff that I have not placed yet. I want to put some Cricut-y items on it, but I have not done so yet. So that is why it is like that. I don't know whose phone just pinged, but someone did. And yeah, there's a little thing I made. One of my first Cricut projects. It says Planner Babe. Isn't that cute? I didn't know. I was trying to put on my cup, but it didn't work out, so it went there. Anyways, and then you have over where the TV is again. Now, I was using, before I got this desk, this was my desk. And so I was using files at the bottom, but now those little holes have just been kind of a catch-all for additional real estate stuff. And then you have the door to the closet, which really you don't need to see in there. It's just a bunch of mess, but you have a printer, and I have both printers up there in the closet. So that, theoretically, it was to make it look good, and so you wouldn't see everything. But really, it's when you share a house with a husband, it's one thing, but when you share an office, it's another thing, and he's messy, and so, well, okay, it's not even that he's messy. He is messy. Just bottom line, he's not messy. But like, his stuff isn't cute. And I'm like, oh, let's make it so cute. And he's like, I don't want cute stuff on my desk. And that's exactly how he sounds too. So don't let him tell you otherwise. And so he begged to differ, but I don't know, whatever. That's just how I feel about it. So, the constant battle. Then underneath the desk, you can spy that cute little dog who's just like right under my feet all day long, and extra Cricut supplies and extra boxes of stuff. And what's really sad is I don't have my planner supplies in this office with me at the moment. They are downstairs by my bed. And I am going to do a video tour of how I have it all set up. I do have extra planner stuff in this drawer, which I will now open. Yeah, so you can see all that planner stuff in there. And of course my briefcase. I don't think I really missed anything super important, but this is potentially going to be redone. So here's kind of like, as far back as I can get you, here's kind of like a grand view, but it's a little blurry. I don't know what's going on there, but it is literally a big mess right now, a big hot mess. And this is the only room in the house that's carpeted. So, and this is our home office. I do have an office, but I tend not to go there as much. So, yeah, this is it. But we're thinking about restructuring it, so I have an office on my own, and I don't have to share, and I would love that. I don't know if that's going to happen yet or not, but it is something that we are looking forward to. It is a goal of mine, so I'm going to make a goal sheet for it later today and just figure out the action steps of what I need to do for it, and excited to potentially share a goal video with you. Alright, so that concludes the office tour for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was a lovely tour guide. But I'm looking for any type of organizational tips you have. Really excited about adding maybe the idea of having my own office and being finally not having to worry about the mess. So that's something that's very exciting to me. I don't know if it's going to happen yet, but if it is, I will be very excited about it. In the meantime, I'm very thankful for the office that I have, but we both work from home. Well, I don't work from home all the time. I work from really my car a lot of times. Really, that's my office. But when I am home doing office work, this is the hub that I come to, and it would be so nice if I could do something a little bit better. That is also the desk that my planner videos are surrounded by. So, yeah. But of course, in the meantime, super excited. So if you're not already a subscriber, please do. We're about to do some really fun stuff in the coming weeks. And hopefully I will be doing an office tour very soon of a new office. So I'm excited about that. But also don't forget, if you'd like to see some other videos of maybe like goal setting videos or anything that's a little bit different than what we're currently doing, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, and I'm really excited about the idea of maybe doing something like that. So yeah, let me know. But for today, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a good glimpse into the messy life that I lead, even though I try to keep it organized. It doesn't always happen. But and I hope you got just a little better view of Megan. So have a great day, and I'll see y'all soon.